We're struggling managing production, mainly sending a fabrication lot into the shops and keeping track of everything. That was one big problem. Our production technician were using spreadsheet to keep track of the cut parts. Same thing for the inventory. So that was a really big thing. And sending a job in production was something we were struggling. And I know that STRUMIS was really a game changer.
The main problem when we are trying to do things with spreadsheet is it works fine when everything goes as expected. Problem in our world is things never goes as expected. I don't mean that there are problems on the shop itself, but I mean the customers at the end maybe change the plans, or they have to do a different way, or maybe change the construction process and start in another place. So it means that we have to build the things differently from what we expected at the first. So that's very hard to do this and change things in spreadsheets. STRUMIS help us a lot doing that.